Hello guys and welcome. We're here with the new Phantom 4 Pro 2.0. We're really excited to be testing this. This is gonna be a little bit a vlog style, and we found this great location. So we're gonna see how this works, how the new camera works, how the new props, the ESC, everything. Let's go and take a look. So well, finally this is our location, our spot to fly. By the way, all those people asking me for the glasses, I'll leave you the link at the description and you can finally take a look at it. Let's see what we have right here. Well, this is how it looks. It's actually the same drone. There's no really big change. These are our old Phantom 4 Pro batteries. The whole body, the gimbal, the sensors, everything remains exactly the same. Now, what are the differences? Well, the first difference, as you can see here, these are the old props. They were pretty good, right? But this one are the new props. So the new props, they look a little bit better. They're supposed to be more efficient, and we're gonna see the difference anyways in a second. I'm gonna attach them, and the thing is, the battery autonomy is supposed to be enhanced now, not only because of the props, which I said are more efficient, but also because the big difference on this drone are the motors. They have the ESC system now, so you're gaining here probably a minute more. So we're not gonna do a battery test because right now I only have this one, and nothing really else to say. What we're going to do now is fly it a little bit, see the experience, see if everything has changed, and take some great footage from this great location from above. So let's go. Look how it looks from the top. It's cool. I believe it's cool. It really does look cool. Always the same problem, updating firmware. I don't know, I did it at home yesterday, but okay, no problem, it's updating and we'll see the footage now. This is so great. The great feeling. You know that I hate the Mavic and I'm more of a Phantom flyer, but This drone is just beyond. My God, this is it's really quiet. It's on top of us and you don't really hear it. So great. Well, what can I really say? I just loved it. It's the Phantom series. It's just above the rest. It's better than the Mavic series. It's just more of a drone. Of course, it's more expensive, but the feeling is amazing. And you can see now the cinematic footage is just a whole different category, whole different level. And we're so happy. I'm so happy with this drone, and I'm gonna be using this for sure in the next months. So expect a lot of footage coming from this guy. And well, this has been the video, kind of short. As you could see, I changed the glasses. Remember the link in the description. And well, if you like this kind of videos, again, I'm back here on my channel. If you like this kind of videos, just leave the like, anything in the comments, and I'll be doing more videos like this one, traveling with Chivo also on the camera, good boy. And you know, lots of fun coming. Nothing really else to say. Always remember to keep Alex as a mother and calm. I love you. La costumbre, tío.